Dear students, welcome back to All Fours e-learning classes. Now problems on radical center. If the radical center of the circles, three circles, x square plus y square minus 2x minus 1 equal to 0, x square plus y square minus 3y minus 1 equal to 0, 2x square plus 2y square minus x minus 7y minus 2 equal to 0 is q, then qx plus qy equal to, then qx plus qy equal to means here q means x comma y, here qx means plus qy means x coordinate of q plus y coordinate of q, x coordinate of q plus y coordinate of q. Here first find the radical center of the three circles. Solution. Here given circles first. Given circles, first one x square plus y square minus 2x minus 1 equal to 0, 1. Next, x square plus y square minus 3y minus 1 equal to 0, 2. Next, here third circle dividing with 2. Convert this equation as general form. Next, it is dividing with 2. X square plus y square minus 1 by 2 into x minus 7 by 2 into y minus 1 equal to 0. Equation number 3. You're dividing with 2. X square plus y square minus x by 2 minus 7 by 2 y minus 1 equal to 0. Now radical center. Radical center means point of intersection of the radical axis. We have to find any two radical axes of these three circles. First, radical axis of radical axis of 1 and 2. Radical axis of 1 and 2 is 1 minus 2 equal to 0. Directly here it is minus 2x plus 3y. Minus 2x plus 3y minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. Here minus 2x plus 3y equal to 0. Write as it is 2x minus 3y equal to 0. Be equation number 4. It is the radical axis of first and two circles, first and second circle. Okay, now radical axis of second and third. Equation of radical axis of 2 and 3 is 2 minus 3 equal to 0. Here x square y square direct cancel. Next minus 3y minus 1 plus 1 by 2 into x plus 7 by 2y plus 1 equal to 0. Minus 3y, 2 minus 3. Minus 3y minus 1 plus 1 by 2 into x plus 7 by 2 into y plus 1 equal to 0. Now LCM 2, it is minus 6y minus 2 plus x plus 7y plus 2 equal to 0. Okay, next here minus 2 plus 2 cancel. Next it is x plus y. X plus y equal to 0. Let me equation number 5. Here the point of intersection of the radical axis is called the radical center of these three circles. Observe students, here in fourth and fifth equation there is no constant. Therefore, these two lines passing through the origin. Clearly solving 4 and 5. Solving 4 and 5, we get radical center. Radical center equal to q, that equal to 0 comma 0. Here q equal to 0 comma 0. In question given, q is the radical center of these three circles. Therefore q equal to 0 comma 0. Now question qx plus qy. Qx means x coordinate of q, 0 plus qy, y coordinate of q, 0, 0 plus 0 equal to 0. Therefore, answer Qx plus Qy equal to 0. Second problem, if the radical center of x square plus y square minus 4x plus 2y plus 3 equal to 0, x square plus y square minus x plus 4y plus 4 equal to 0, and x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 5y plus 7 equal to 0 is minus 1 comma 1, then g equal to what? Here the radical center of these three circles is given minus 1 comma 1, then g equal to what? Here the g is involved in third equation, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 5y plus 7 equal to 0. Here first to find radical axis of these two circles. Equation of radical axis. Equation of radical axis of 1 and 3. 1 and 3 is 1 minus 3 equal to 0. 1 here x square y square get cancelled. Here minus 4x plus 2y plus 3 minus 2gx minus 5y minus 7 equal to 0. Here minus 4x minus 2gx. Here minus of 4 plus 2g into x. 4 plus 2g into x. Here minus x common. 4 plus 2g. 2y minus 5y. It is minus 3y. 3 minus 7 minus 4 equal to 0. Now it is 4 plus 2g into x plus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. Here radical center is given, radical center of these three circles is given minus 1 comma 1. Here radical center lies on the radical axis. Question, g equal to what? Here minus 1 comma 1 lies on this line. Minus 1 comma 1 lies on this line. Here the point of intersection of the radical axis is called radical center of the circle. Therefore minus 1 comma 1 is the radical center of these three circles. Then minus 1 comma 1 satisfies this radical axis equation. Therefore 4 plus 2g into minus 1 plus 3 into 1 plus 4 equal to 0. Next it is minus 4 minus 2g plus 7. 3 plus 4, 7. Okay, next it is 2g. 2g equal to, here 2g taking right side. 7 minus 4 is 3. Therefore, the value of g is required. Here g equal to 3 by 2. The value of g equal to 3 by 2. Okay, next problem. In n, here n in bracket n greater than or equal to 3. In n circles, the centers of no three circles are collinear. The number of the radical axis of the circles is equal to the number of the radical centers of the circles. Then n square minus 4n minus 5 equal to. First to find the value of n. The value of n. In question given condition is in n circles the number of radical axis is equal to the number of radical centers. Here for radical axis we need 2 circles enough. For radical centers we need 3 circles. Here in question given the number of radical axis of n circles. The number of radical axis of n circles is nc2. In question given condition, the number of radical axis of n circles is nc2. We have formula The number of radical centers of n circles is NC3. Is NC3. The number of radical axes of n circles is NC2. The number of radical centers of n circles is NC3. Here we need radical axis for radical axis we need 2 circles. For radical centers we need 3 circles. So here number of circles n. Here NC2 equal to NC3. The number of radical axis is equal to the number of radical centers. In question given NC2 equal to NC3. Now n equal to 2 plus 3, 5. Here we have one condition, NCR equal to NCS. N equal to R plus S. NCR equal to NC5. Then n equal to R plus S. Here n equal to 5. Here question required n square minus 4n minus 5 equal to n square minus 4n minus 5 equal to n equal to 5 n square 25 minus 4 into 5 20 minus 5. Here 25 minus 25 0. Okay, next. Common chord of 2 circles. Here common chord of 2 circles. Here if the 2 circles intersect in 2 points. 2 circles intersect in 2 points. Here 2 circles intersect each other. In this case this is called a common chord of 2 circles. This line is called a common chord of these 2 circles. The equation of the common chord. Here, for suppose this is S equal to 0. Now this is S dash equal to 0. Here the equation, if the 2 circles intersect each other, then the common chord of these 2 circles is the radical axis of these 2 circles. Here equation of this line is S minus S dash equal to 0. If the 2 circles equation is given, the equations of 2 circles given, the equation of the common chord is according to the formula S minus S dash equal to 0. Okay, equation over. Next, length of the common chord required. Here if theta is the length of the common chord, if theta is the angle between 2 circles, if theta is the angle between these 2 circles, if theta is the angle between the 2 circles, we have formula for length of the common chord. Length of common chord equal to formula 2r1 r2 sin theta. 2r1 r2 sin theta by under root of r1 square plus r2 square plus 2r1 r2 cos theta. Here if theta is the angle between the 2 circles, the length of the common chord equal to formula 2r1 r2 sin theta by under root of r1 square plus r2 square plus 2r1 r2 cos theta. First to find angle between the 2 circles given. First to find angle between the 2 circles according to the formula cos theta equal to d square minus r1 square minus r2 square by 2r1 r2, where r1 comma r2 are the radii of these 2 circles and d is the distance between the centers. In this case, length of the common chord equal to formula 2r1 r2 sin theta by under root of r1 square plus r2 square plus 2r1 r2 cos theta. If these 2 circles, if theta equal 90 degrees, it means the angle between the 2 circles is 90 degrees. It means if these 2 circles cut each other orthogonally. If these 2 circles cut each other, if these two circles cut each other orthogonally, then length of common chord of two circles, length of common chord equal to, okay, this, your theta equal to 90 degrees, then it is sin 90 1, cos 90 0. Here, if these two circles cut each other orthogonally, in the length of the common chord equal to formula 2r1 r2 by under root of r1 square plus r2 square, the root of r1 square plus r2 square. If theta is the angle between the two circles, the length of the common chord equal to formula 2r1 r2 sin theta by under root of r1 square plus r2 square plus 2r1 r2 cos theta. If the two circles cut each other orthogonally, the length of the common chord equal to formula 2r1 r2 by under root of r1 square plus r2 square. Okay, problem. The distance of the point 1, 2 from the common chord of the circles x square plus y square plus 6x minus 16 equal to 0 and x square plus y square minus 2x minus 6y minus 6 equal to 0 is. Here the distance of the point 1, 2 from the common chord of these two circles. The equation of common chord. The equation of common chord is radical axis of these two circles. The equation of common chord is s minus s dash equal to 0. S minus s dash is 6x plus 2x, 8x. Here 0 plus 6y. Next minus 16 plus 6 minus 10 equal to 0. This is the common chord of these two circles, common chord. When the two circles intersect each other, the common chord exists. This common chord is radical axis of these two circles. Its equation is s minus s dash equal to 0. Here s minus s dash equal to 0. Okay, now here 2 common, 4x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. Question, the distance of the point 1, 2 from the common chord. Distance from the point. Distance from the point 1, 2 to this common chord. This common chord equal to modulus of, according to formula, distance formula, ax1 plus by1 plus c by under root of a square plus b square. Modulus of distance, the distance from the point 1, 2 to this common chord equal to formula modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by under root of a square plus b square. Here a equal to 4, here 0.1, 3 into 2 minus 5 by under root of a square plus b square. Here 16 plus 9, 4 square plus 3 square. Here 4, here 6 plus 4, 10, 10 minus 5, 5. Denominator also 5 equal to 1. Therefore, the distance of the point 1, 2 from the common chord of these two circles is 1. Next problem. The length of the common chord of x square plus y square plus 2x plus 3y plus 1 equal to 0 and x square plus y square plus 4x plus 3y plus 2 equal to 0 is the length of the common chord. The length of the common chord required. We have formula for length of the common chord 2r1 r2 sin theta by under root of r1 square plus r2 square plus 2r1 r2 cos theta. First find angle between these two circles, then applying in formula we get length of the common chord. Okay, according to formula we can find. Another process is also there here without using formula. Without using formula, first find equation of common chord. Equation of common chord. Equation of common chord is s minus s dash equal to 0. Here 2x. Equation of common chord is s minus s dash equal to 0. Implies 2x minus 4x minus 2x plus 3y cancel. Next constant 1 minus 2 minus 1 equal to 0. Here 2x minus 4x minus 2x 3y get cancel. 1 minus 2 minus 1 equal to 0. This is a equation of common chord. 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Equation of common chord. Okay, now length of the common chord required. Here length of the common chord, it is radius of the circle. It is radius of the circle. It is d. Here d means length of the perpendicular from the center of the first circle to the common chord. Here we take first circle or second circle, any one. Here I am taking first circle equation. Center of circle 1 first. Center of first circle. Center of first circle. Center of first circle is minus 1 comma minus 3 by 2. Minus g comma minus f, minus 1 comma minus 3 by 2. Same here radius. Radius of first circle is radius under root of g square 1 plus f square 9 by 4 minus 1. Under root of g square plus f square minus c. Here 1 cancel. This is 3 by 2 under root of 9 by 4. It is 3 by 2. Okay, now d. Here length of the common chord means length of the chord. Length of the common chord means length of the chord of this circle. Length of the chord equal to formula we have 2 into under root of r square minus d square. 2 into under root of r square minus d square. Here d, first to find d. D means length of the perpendicular. D means length of the perpendicular. Length of the perpendicular from minus 1 comma minus 3 by 2. It is center of the first circle. Length of the perpendicular from the point minus 1 comma minus 3 by 2 to the chord 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Now according to the distance formula, modulus of 2 into here x minus 1 plus 1 by under root of 2 square 4 plus 0. This is minus 2 plus 1, it is 1 by 2. Here d equal to 1 by 2. Okay, now length of the common chord. Length of common chord. Common chord means length of the chord of this circle. Length of common chord. Length of common chord equal to formula 2 into under root of 2 into under root of r square minus d square. 2 into under root of r square. Here radius of the first circle is 3 by 2, it is 9 by 4. 9 by 4 means d square. 1 by 2 whole square, it is 1 by 4. Okay, next it is 2 into directly 9 minus 1, 8 by 4, it is root 2. 8 by 4, 2. Here, 2 root 2. Here, length of the common chord equal to 2 root 2. It is next problem. If 3, 4 are the radii and 5 is the distance between the centers of two intersecting circles, then the length of the common chord is. Here radii of the circles given 3, 4 and distance between the centers is given 5 and two circles. Here question, common chord, length of the common chord is what? Given R1 equal to 3, R2 equal to 4. Here D is the distance between the centers 5. Length of the common chord of the circles is what? Here actually 5 square equal to 3 square plus 4 square. Here 5 square equal to 3 square plus 4 square. It means D square equal to R1 square plus R2 square. Therefore, given circles cut each other. Given circles cut each other orthogonally. Therefore, length of common chord equal to formula 2R1 R2 by under root of R1 square plus R2 square. The root of 2R1 R2 by under root of R1 square plus R2 square. Here R1 R2 3 into 4 by under root of R1 square 3 square. It is 9 plus 16 R2 square. Now finally it is 24 by 5. Here length of the common chord of the two circles is 24 by 5. Here radii 3, 4, 5 is the distance between the centers of two intersecting circles. Here d square 5 square equal to 3 square plus 4 square. It means d square equal to R1 square plus R2 square. Therefore, two intersecting circles are cut each other. Two circles cut each other orthogonally. In this case, common chord, length of the common chord equal to formula 2R1 R2 by under root of R1 square plus R2 square. We get length of the common chord equal to 24 by 5.